Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show how to change background color in PDF file. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's go. First of all, you need to any PDF reader software. I'm using Adobe Reader, and this is my own PDF. Open it and browse my file. Okay, this is the PDF file, and I will show how to change the background color. Go to Preference and Accessibility, and here is the replace document color. Change background color, and if you want, just select and OK. Try another. That's simple video. Easily change your background color in a PDF file. Okay. And change the background color and file, save as. Select your destination, just replace it and close the software and just open, double click. That's it. So I think you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.